When I was stuck in the tinnitus doom loop, one of the things that helped me was using sound masking very strategically while I was meditating. So I would go outside, I would have physical contact with earth, with the ground. I would play nature sounds. My favorite sound masking, the rain. So, and there's a very specific reason why I was doing this. I believe grounding to earth and getting back with nature helps recalibrate our central nervous systems. I think that living in air-conditioned houses and watching TVs and being away from nature, we've essentially divorced ourselves from nature, throws our nervous system out of alignment. And for me, meditating in nature, with nature sounds, help soothe my central nervous system and bring me out of fight or flight.